Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make multiple text boxes the same size in Microsoft Word quickly and accurately. Equal sized text boxes are essential for clean layouts, professional documents, certificates, forms, brochure, resumes, posters and design heavy Word file. Many users resize text boxes manually, which often leads to uneven white inconsistent height and misaligned layouts. In this video we will discover simple and precise methods to resize and standardize text boxes while maintaining perfect alignment and formatting. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. We can see here a table. Now I want to make some text box same size. Go to the insert menu first, then click this text box option. You can add or choose any default text box design, otherwise you can create a text box. Now I am click draw text box and create a text box, then write anything. Now I am write some text. Now I am write some text. Now you want to make the all text box same size. You can apply the copy and paste option. You can copy the text box, press Ctrl C and paste Ctrl V. Otherwise you can copy this text box another way. Press and hold Ctrl on our keyboard and drag the text box. You can see copy this text box easily. Otherwise you can copy the text box manually. Go back home menu, click this copy option and click paste option. We can see we copy paste this. Now we can see the all text box is same size. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. So, thanks for watching.